The best way to use the COSRX Advanced Nail Mucin Essence is what this video is all about. This essence makes our skin hydrated and also reduces the redness and the inflammation on our skin. The first step is to cleanse your face. Use a gentle cleanser. But if you've got some stubborn makeup on or a stubborn sunscreen on, you might need to double cleanse your face. So the goal is to make sure that the face is all clean before you move to the next step. In this routine, if you want to use a cleanser which has an exfoliating ingredient like salicylic glycolic or lactic acid, you can use that kind of cleanser as well. After you've cleansed your face, pat your face gently with a towel until it's still a little bit wet. You don't want the face to be dripping wet, but you do want the face to stay a little bit wet. With the towel, never rub your face too hard. Gently pat it with the towel. If you rub it too hard, that's not good news for the face. The next step is to actually apply the essence onto your face. Just take a couple of drops, 2 to 3 drops of the essence onto your palm, and then if it's on this palm, put the other palm in here. Don't rub it too hard, no rubbing necessary. Just put the other palm just so that they touch gently and a little bit of essence from this palm moves on to this palm and then goes straight to the face. Just less contact and for less time and move straight to the face. We want all the things happening on the face and not too much in between our palms. So, and then gently pat the product onto your face all over. No need to rub it. That doesn't seem to work very well for me, and I don't think that's the right way to do it. Gently pat the product onto your face, all over the face. But don't let the product get into your mouth or into your eyes. That's important. You know how I said make sure that the face is a little bit wet? That's helpful because the essence that you apply on a little bit wet face can actually penetrate a bit deeper into the skin. So it's going to be much more effective than if you were to apply the essence on totally dry skin. If you've just had your shower and there is steam in the bathroom, that's actually a good place to apply any hydrating product. So a product like this. So because the moisture in the air helps the product to actually add hydration to the skin. So don't go out of the bathroom, stay in the bathroom and apply the essence. You don't need to use too much product, just 2 or 3 drops of the product should be more than enough, and whatever is left after you pat it all over your face, make sure you apply it on your neck. Never forget your neck. Now let the essence sit on your face for about 30 seconds to a minute. So you want it all to get soaked into your face. The next step is if you want to apply a retinol serum or vitamin C serum, now is the time to do that. What the essence can do is it can actually help the ingredients in the serum penetrate a bit deeper into the skin. So that's going to make that serum much more effective. And another thing is if your skin is a bit sensitive or you're just starting to use products like retinol and vitamin C, or maybe you turn a bit red and inflamed when you use products like that and you want something to soothe the skin straight away, then essence is really helpful, this kind of essence, because the COSRX essence, nail mucin essence, actually reduces the redness and the sensitivity and the inflammation on the skin. So it's a good idea to pair it with the products which can actually make your skin a bit irritated. While I was editing the video, I noticed something that I didn't mention. So here's the correction. If the vitamin C product that you're using is a water-based vitamin C product, that means if you check the ingredients, if one of the top ingredients, usually the topmost ingredient is water, then it's a water-based vitamin C serum. So in that case, you would apply the vitamin C serum first and then you would apply your COSRX Snail Mucin Essence. But if the vitamin C serum is not water-based, so one of the top ingredients is not water, then it's an oil-based serum. In that case, you would apply the Snail Mucin Essence first, followed by the vitamin C serum. The serum step is optional. You might want to move to the next step without adding the serum. That's something I wanted to mention. So that's totally optional. So if you've used a serum, just let it sit on your skin for 30 seconds to a minute. Let it all get soaked in. Next step is to use a cream or a moisturizer. So any hydration that the essence has brought to the skin, we need to seal all that hydration into our skin. So make sure you use a good cream or a moisturizer. Make sure it doesn't have any fragrance or denatured alcohol. I know denatured alcohol can bring its own set of merits, but I find it very sensitive for my skin. Now the final step is if you are using this in the morning time, top it all off with a good sunscreen. A quick reminder, a sunscreen is effective only 10 to 15 minutes after it has been applied. So make sure you apply your sunscreen at least 10 to 15 minutes before you step out in the sun. Finally, a few things, because it's a snail mucin essence. If you are allergic to shellfish, I think your skin can be prone to some kind of redness and irritation, so avoid the product. And if you've never used a snail mucin essence before, always do a patch test. And if you've got any open cuts or wounds, don't let any product go on there, because that can cause a lot of irritation. This is a good product, and there are some claims on the internet saying it's a game changer. It's not a game changer or anything like that. It's a good hydrating and slightly inflammation reducing kind of a product. And you can use this product either in the morning or the night time. That's about it. If you like this video, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.